What's up, guys? I am in Tesla Los Gatos. They have the brand new Frost Blue, and they just released this on Thursday night with the Marine Blue. What's crazy is the Model S and X had the Frost Blue, but they discontinued the S and X, so here it is in all its glory. And they only have the Frost Blue on the Performance Model 3, and I believe on the Performance Model Y, but this just looks so amazing, especially with the white interior that you will see here. It's a massive complement. Again, just a subtle light blue with a white interior. And again, you can see the red calipers here. Truly, truly amazing to see all of this kind of come together. And then if you open this up here in the deal, you can just see the blue, the Frost Blue, go all the way around. One really interesting thing here too is just the back. You can see the badging here. It actually kind of looks like, I think that's just the normal badging. And then again, with the fascia all the way down, just it complements it so well. So really happy that Tesla brought this color to more models, especially as the S and X were discontinued. Again, you can kind of just see in here all the way through. But really cool nonetheless that they brought this to some of their other vehicles. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I personally really love it. I'm glad that they brought this color to the other part of the fleet. You know, with the S and X coming to an end, they have to accessorize these a little bit more. And you know, what better color to do it in than in the Performance Model 3. So let me know what you think. This is a complete walk around, but exciting nonetheless.